Today we are going to be making sushi. First, you're going to need a bowl. Then you're going to put rice in the bowl. Then water. After adding your water and your rice, you're going to add heat or fire rice. Ta-da! Now that we have our rice, we can set that to the side, our cooked rice. The next step is we are going to use a knife and our favorite vegetables. Now for this step, make sure you have an adult help you cut. Cut. Next, now that we have our favorite vegetables, they are cut with our knife. We're going to move that to the side. Bring in our seaweed. Cooked rice. Going to start putting the rice on top. Okay, now that our rice and our seaweed is covered, we are going to press the rice down. Leave some room on top for the seaweed. So there should be space where there's just seaweed at the top. Okay? We are going to bring back our favorite vegetables that we cut. So our favorite vegetables that we cut, we are going to put them in the middle. Once we have all of our vegetables on there, we are going to start to roll them. So I'm going to use this. Help roll them with my hands. Okay, we've made it to the end. Now we just press a bit more and let's see how it turned out. Yep, that's pretty good. We're going to cut our sushi with a knife. So we have 2 pieces here. Oh no. Oh, womp, womp, womp. Okay. That one didn't work. The first 2 did. sushi looks sad. I'm not gonna lie. Okay. And we're going to put some fun crackers with one of our sushis. And some soy sauce. Okay, well, I hope you enjoy your sushi. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a wonderful rest of your day.